Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at the Gold Coast Hotel and Casino off the Las Vegas Strip. I'm doing a mini staycation so I can show you guys around. Could be a great option to stay if you come to Vegas. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. The Gold Coast Hotel and Casino is located 1 mile west of the Las Vegas Strip on West Flamingo Road. It sits across the street from the Palms Casino Resort and next to the Rio All-Suite Hotel and Casino. You can either park outdoors in front of the casino or in the self-parking garage, which is free. Let's go check out what a room looks like. So here's the room. This is a deluxe with 2 double beds. It's not very large. And I will put the price of this room right on the screen. So there's not a huge tour we're gonna do, but here are the 2 beds. And let's go quickly and take a peek at our view. Okay, just a bunch of houses. Air conditioning, a little loud. I'm not bothered by that, but all right, let's check out the bathroom. Shower, no tub. It's clean. Ooh, a little coffee maker. And the amenities. And a small TV. No refrigerator, in case you're wondering. Here's the closet. Ironing board, hang a few clothes, a safe. There are a couple drawers as well. There are 3 actually. That's what they look like. Not much else in here. Your very basic room. There's also a desk if you want to sit. So nothing huge, but if you're one who's not going to stay in your room your whole trip, I think it's a great deal. All right, let's check out the pool and the gym. So this is the pool. Some chairs to lounge. And a covered, somewhat covered area with tables. That's what that looks like. Okay, the pool looks like it's about 4 feet, and then its deepest, it's at 5 feet. And I'm guessing right over there is the gym, which we'll check out in a second. Let's walk this way. It actually faces the pool. So when you work out, you can look at people swimming. Here's a nice little summary of the restaurants they have here. Cornerstone, Ping Pang Pong, Noodle Exchange, TGIF Fridays, the Red Zone Sports Bar, Java Vegas, and Subway. Let's go check them out. I always get coffee from Java Vegas when I'm here, but they also have other food items like sandwiches, wraps, muffins, and yogurt. Today I ordered an iced caramel macchiato grande, and for pricing, this cost me $7.25, but it was yummy. Ping Pang Pong serves Chinese food, and it's a local's favorite. On a weekend, the line can get really long, so you have to come early. So we're at Noodle Exchange. Here are the prices. We're thinking of getting some noodle soup, which is about $17, $18, $19. So So here is our war wonton soup. Smoky. It came really, really fast. This is $18.99 and it's a shareable, so we're gonna share this. Oh, $16.99. So it's got some pork, wonton, some shrimp balls, and a few vegetables. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Cornerstone is their classic American steakhouse. It was closed when I came by, but here's a quick peek at their menu. They open for dinner at 4 or 5 p.m. depending on the day. Red Zone is located next to Cornerstone Steakhouse. It's a great place to watch the game or grab a bite or drink. It's an open space so you can look onto the casino floor as well. And speaking of casino floor, Gold Coast's casino floor is over 86,000 square feet. They have over 1,500 slot and video poker machines. I really like their slot games because they have a great mix of both new and old school games. If you ask a local who plays here, they'll swear by the poker machines that supposedly pay really well. I did hit 4 deuces twice while playing here, so I can kind of vouch for that. They also have over 40 table games including craps, blackjack, pai-gow poker, baccarat, and roulette. And their tables were really busy for a Tuesday night. They also have a race and sports book where you can watch or bet on your favorite race or sporting event. Across from the race and sports book is a center bar where you can grab a drink and play some machines. Let's head upstairs to check out their mini arcade and bowling alley. Their bowling alley is fairly large. There are 70 lanes and a snack bar and bar and lounge area up here. If you love bingo, you're gonna love it here. Gold Coast has a 720-seat bingo center, which is one of the largest in Nevada. This is how you get to the hotel room. Okay guys, I am back in my room after a day of staying and playing. So I typically don't like to lay in the bed without, wearing my clothes because it's kind of dirty. But since there's a cover on top and I'll be laying underneath, I'm just gonna try out the bed, see how it feels. Ooh, nice fluffy pillows. Let's pretend like I'm sleeping. I like it. It's comfy, it's firm. I actually like it here, you guys. And I forgot to mention that, you know how they say things are really far in Vegas and they look closer than they really are? This one, in this case, you can actually walk across the street. It's very walkable to the Palms. If you have not seen my walking tour of that, I will link that in the description box below, but that is right across the street. And if you walk further down on the same side of the street of Gold Coast, there's Rio. So you have 2 other options if you want to just stay kind of off the strip. But if you want to drive to the strip, if you had a car, it'd be about 5 minutes to Bellagio and or Uber. So I like it here. I think it's a really great option typically if you're on vacation, you don't really stay in your hotel room all that much. You're kind of out and about. So this is close enough to the strip to make it a really good option to stay. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.